The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Harris County in southeast Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, Bexar County in south central Texas, El Paso County in far west Texas, Nueces County in south Texas, until 2:32 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado was located near Limestone, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Fort Worth. Take cover now. Hazard. Damaging tornado. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Flying debris will be deadly with those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed, and complete destruction is possible. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blanket or pillow to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside of a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat on the nearest ditch, or near a low spot and cover your head with your hands. Tornadoes are hard to see and confirm at night. Take cover now.